when you hear that sound, no need to look around. It's time to find it.
Uh-oh. Looks like YouTube Kids has an error. Please try to close the app. Sorry, you cannot watch the video. We cannot try again. Please close this device or you will get the dark red background. Okay, that's it. You have the dark red background. If you restart it one more time, you will get the black background and you will have to enter the code. Okay, you have the black background. You will have to enter the correct code. If you get the incorrect code, you will never watch Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus. No more fun.
Enter the code. Incorrect code. Incorrect code again. You will walk into kids.
Sorry, you entered the incorrect code.